I love painting. When I grow up, I will become a painter.
Why are you doing this useless work again? Go and study. Don't ever do this again. You can't focus on your studies because of this.
My mom always scolds me for this. I don't want to live in this house.
What are you doing here all alone?
Hi, Uncle. I am just painting.
Oh, wow. Your art is beautiful. You will become a great painter?
Thank you, Uncle. You are nice.
Can I show you something great? You'll become really happy when you see that plate.
Oh, wow! A art studio. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. I always wanted to have such a studio.
Now this is yours, and give your best to become a best painter.
Thank you so much for this. Thanks for trusting me. My mom scolded me for painting, so I ran away.
Thank you, God, for this. Now I will give this great competition news to my uncle. Uncle C, the painting competition.
Give your best, Walter, in this competition.
Sir, give us a form of national painting competition.
Okay, sir, wait a minute. The day you were waiting for has arrived, and now your wait is over. All the competitors are waiting on stage to perform their best in this competition. Now the competition is started. Competitors have only 20 minutes. Competitors are looking confident. The judges are looking confused because every artwork is looking so beautiful. Now the time is finished. And everything is on judges who will win this trophy this year.
Please, God, it's be me. Please.
Oh, wow. Walter is our winner.
You did a nice work. Best of luck for your future.
Thank you so much, sir. I wanted to say something about this drawing. This is my childhood. I always wanted to become painter, but my mom never let me paint and always says that it's useless work. But I hope my mom is seeing this. The one how deserved this trophy is my uncle. He did a lot for me when no one was with me.